In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sale price to a product on Shopify. Whether you're running a special promotion or just want to boost sales with attractive pricing, setting up a sale price can be a fantastic way to capture customer interest. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you're making the most of these features on Shopify. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once there, look over to the left panel. This is your main navigation area, where you have access to all of the critical features and settings for your store. Here, you'll need to click on Products. Doing this will open up a list of all the products you've entered into your store, making it easy to find the one you want to edit. Next, take a moment to scroll through your list or use the search bar to find the specific product that you are planning to put on sale. Once you've identified the right product, click on it to open up the product details page. This page is where you can adjust all kinds of information about the product, but right now, we're focusing on the pricing. As you look through the product details, you'll want to find the section labeled Prices. This area includes several fields, and among them is one known as the Compare At Price. The Compare At Price field is a great tool for highlighting discounts because it allows you to show your customers what the original price was, effectively shining a light on the discount they are receiving. You'll begin by clicking on the Compare At Price field to enter the original price of the product, the amount customers would typically have paid before the sale. Think of this as the starting point that will make your sale price appear attractive in comparison. Now, you'll need to change the current price field to reflect the sale price you're offering. This is the new, reduced price that will entice your customers and drive sales. Double-check that the numbers accurately reflect the promotion you want to run. After making these adjustments, the next step is one of the most crucial to ensure all your hard work is saved. Locate the Save button, usually positioned at the top or bottom of the page, and give it a click. This action will apply all your changes and update your store with the new pricing strategy. And there you go. You've successfully added a sale price to your product. This simple adjustment can make a big difference in capturing customer attention and growing your sales. Remember to repeat these steps for each product you want to put on sale. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!